Hello, good morning to all. I am Nikhat Fatima from GG College, Nizamabad. Today we are going to learn about phrasal verbs. Now we will see what are phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are combination of a verb and a particle that together give you a single independent unit of meaning. Phrasal verbs are combination of a verb and a particle that together give you a single independent unit of meaning. The particle in a phrasal verb is either an adverb such as up or out, a preposition such as in or on, or an adverb and a preposition such as out of. Verb plus adverb, for example, turn plus down. Turn is verb whereas down is adverb. And the meaning of turn down is to deny or refuse. Carry on. Carry is verb and on is preposition. And together, if we take the meaning of two words together, then it gives to continue. The meaning of carry on is to continue. And put up with, for example, put up with. Put is verb, up is adverb, and with is preposition. So it is a combination of verb plus adverb plus preposition. It means put up with means to tolerate. The meaning of put up with is to tolerate. You can form many phrasal verbs by adding different particles to the same verb. For example, cut off, cut into, cut out, cut through, or cut up. The meaning of a phrasal verb is different from the meanings of its individual component words. The individual meanings of call and off are different from when they are used together as a phrasal verb. Called off. Okay. The meaning of called off is nothing but strike by the bank employees was called off. It means the strike was cancelled. The strike was cancelled. In the same way, for example, the wedding was put off until January means it was postponed and it is postponed. Put off means postponed. Another sentence is Anita turned up at the party with a friend. It means that she arrived with a friend. There are many examples. She ran out to play. She ran out to play. Here, verb plus adverb. Verb plus adverb, ran out. She ran out of sugar. Here, meaning is not have enough of something. Ran out. Not have enough of something. He came into some money recently. Came into, phrasal verb. Here combination is verb plus preposition. Came into. The meaning is to get money or property after someone's death. he came into some money recently. And the meaning of phrasal verbs and the context of their usage are usually listed in any standard dictionary under the heading of the verbs from which they are derived. Separate dictionaries of idioms or phrases are also available for easy reference. And phrasal verbs are sometimes less formal than a single verb. They can also be more economical than longer expressions. Therefore, phrasal verbs are helpful in building your vocabulary in English. So, if we use phrasal verbs in our daily spoken language, then it would be helpful for us. Okay, thank you.